Welcome to Renovating an old Stuart steam engine. This is really the painting video. It's part 6. I start by using an ultrasonic cleaner to initially remove the dirt and old paint from the main engine parts. What was left of the paint was removed using cellulose thinners. Painting the flywheel using Phoenix Precision Paint's Buffer Beam Red, and painting the main part of the engine using Phoenix Precision Paint's Great Western Railway Green. This is a bottle of Carbusonic EP24R ultrasonic cleaning solution for engine parts and aluminium. You have to be careful which type of stuff you use. This is good, it doesn't attack any of the metals that I use. Before filling the ultrasonic cleaner with water, I pour a generous amount, in fact half a bottle of this stuff, into the unit. And then I top up the 15-litre tank of the ultrasonic cleaner using very hot water from my hot tap. This makes the solution froth slightly. I'm hoping it's going to remove the paint, that's why I use so much of it. When I first bought this ultrasonic cleaner, I used a different liquid for cleaning. The problem was though, when I put a Mammoth steam engine in there, the aluminium parts, like the wheels etc., started fizzing. That's why I settled on this EP24R stuff. It's very forgiving, doesn't damage the parts, it just cleans them, but it does remove paint. I put all of the engine parts into the basket and then put the basket into the cleaner. Here's a bit of a warning when using an ultrasonic cleaner. Don't put your hand into the liquid even when it's not running, and when the cleaner is running, definitely don't put your hand in there. Here's the control panel, and it's currently running for a 30-minute period. Later on in the video, I'll show you what it did to the main part of the engine. But now, sit back and relax, take any medication where applicable, because it's painting time. I will not be narrating the painting sequences. Here we go then. First, I'm painting the flywheel. This is a flashback to when I first put the parts into the ultrasonic cleaner's basket. And now, after half an hour in the ultrasonic cleaner, you can see that there is definitely a difference, particularly with the paint. You can wipe it off with some water and a toothbrush. I set the ultrasonic cleaner to run for another half an hour. This got rid of a lot more paint, and I finished off the job by using some cellulose thinners. And now for a high point of the episode. This is called stirring the paint. This tin of paint had been on the shelf for quite a long time, so it needed a really good stir. And now once again, just sit back and relax, but don't take any more medication. This is more painting time. And just like that, the job was finished. Here's a gratuitous shot of the paint drying. Stay safe, stay healthy, thanks for watching, and I hope you found it useful. Please take the time to visit my Mainsteam Models website and click on the section of the website that says Video Playlists. And by doing that, you can find other videos that you may like to watch. And by using the playlists, you can actually watch the videos back to back.